So we're going to listen to some of this. This is I would call this pop classical. Here, that's where we are. Let me make this a little wider for us. Can I? I think you have to. Oh, there we go.
Yeah.
That's good. Okay. So this is Benedictus, and we'll talk more about this, John, but I've been endeavoring to keep the sound of what I learned in my head. And it's really hard to do because they teach you it, but also it kind of boils down to like what they hear. You know, you have to learn to hear how they hear. Mm-hmm. That really is what it's all about. And so I've been searching, and of course there's this CNIMA YouTube page, but also there's some others, and I found some playlists that I just listened to on my long 18-hour drive over the last couple days, and I found this musician whose name I cannot pronounce, Joxan Goikoetxea. I believe it's Basque. Anyway, he's really, really great. And I want to play a little bit of this. I've heard Joanne Cochran Summers of the ATG talk about this composition called Benedictus by Carl Jenkins. Let's listen to some of this and then sort of talk about it.
Sweet.
I love the amazing... Now, I also want to know, do you hear a rainstorm at the beginning? Do you think that they're playing some like meditation? We didn't hear it, did we? Maybe that's just hiss. It's just hiss. Okay. Now, what really caught my ear is this sort of very aggressive Luray that the melodist, and I think it may be Joksan or Holksan, or I'm not sure. Anyway, this guy in the middle. No, he doesn't. Who has the melody? Is it this musician? Oh, maybe it's her. Yeah, it must be her on the left, the long blonde hair. You hear how they're extremely long notes, and those are really legato, but many of these other ones have that. Hear it? And I was like, well, that sounds super like that sound, you know? Yeah. And just the way they can make accordions do that. Let's check out a little bit of the original of this tune, because I was like, I recognize this. Why do I know this? What is this? Mm-hmm. And then I was like, I'm pretty sure the ATG has done it. Let's check out.
Do you know if any of those people studied cinema?
I don't know.
Yeah, they're using those ideas.
Yes, yes, and we're gonna watch another. I believe it is a former student of Waxan. We'll watch them in a second. Where's this one video that I wanted? I think it's this one. Yeah, this one. We'll just hear the original setting of this for orchestra. That Lydian thing, or the, I don't know what key, D triad, and then it's back to this D triad over a C major triad. And when I heard the original, you can hear that strong attack there.
Yeah, absolutely.
Even though they're very long lines.
It's not legato, yeah.
It's not legato.
It's almost like a connected legato.
Well said. It's not legato. Right. Definitely not legato. Yeah. Okay, cool. All right. So here, let's watch this other.
Do you think everybody on your stream knows what you mean when you say Luray?
Yeah, many of them do.
Great.
And we will talk about this soon. But yeah, okay. What is Luray? So let's see.
Oh,
I wish I had an accordion.
Oh gosh, I was just counting them. I can't. I lost track. I got to 7 or 8. I don't know.
It's never enough.
God,
it's never the ones you want either. It's like like tools.
Yeah, exactly.
All right. So Do, dee, dee, dum. So D. Okay, so how's the melody go? Let's see. To the 4. La, do, it's a G sharp. La, dum. I'm thinking of Holst now. Okay, so na ida the bum. Do-da. So to do legato, which I'm even more impressed because it's so hard to play Luray. Same key. You can really hear the Luray, yeah. But it's little clues of like, oh, these are the same sounds, you know. Mm-hmm. And this is I would say like sort of a deep thing, but really interesting. Let's talk another one. Check another one. This is, let's see, this younger musician that I assume is a student. I don't know. I only assume that because I can only find video from like 15 years ago on this person's channel, and they just look. Anyways, I listened to this. This is a Brazilian forró tune or something in that genre, and it's definitely done as like a concert piece, but I think you're gonna hear the beauty in this one. I know you will. All the dynamics, that beautiful light touch, leger. I think if Jacques had like sculpted that, you know, there would be many more syncops there. But just, you know, that sound. Do you need more slack? There's plenty of slack.
Yeah.
So then when you hear it, and like you know, every year that I go, I learn, or every one of these stages, these week-long workshops that I go to, I get more of the language in my head, you know, and we all get a little bit further down the path. One of the other experiences that I want to share with you real quick was just listening to something that definitely isn't that sound. I'm trying to remember. Oh, yeah. Okay, so I had found a Rob Reich and Evan Rob Reich accordion, not The Economist.
I didn't know he played accordion.
Different.
Incredibly atomic.
And they have met each other. Rob Reich unfortunately passed away recently. I believe it was last year. Yeah, suddenly, very, very unexpectedly. I'm looking for this one video just only to listen. Where is that one? They were playing a gymnopédie.
Always so beautiful.
I can't find it. Anyways. Well, anyway, just to listen to just anything with different touch. Let's see if we can hear a little bit of Rob.
Sonella.
And after having been in cinema in that environment, do you immediately hear a difference in sound?
I think so.
Yeah.
Yeah. It's I don't see the arch as much. I don't hear the term they use, the syncope.
Oh yeah, exactly. Yeah.
It's a different sound.
Okay, now let's listen to this one. So I like this one a lot. Now, I love João Fred, and he doesn't play on the service. He plays very all the way deep. Anyway, we like all kinds of stuff.
Right.
And on a standard bass accordion, which is cool to hear this kind of. Looks like a 96 days. Accents, not quite syncopes, but with the body. Yeah. I was trying to look. But like there are sort of broad, things that you will see more commonly across Western European accordion players, Russian accordion players, Chinese, this whole kind of stretch that's influenced, I would say, by the competitions and the development of that repertoire and stuff.